Hello, in this video I will show you how to print the web page contents without the ads. So we will not print out the ads here, only print the article itself. So to do that, Microsoft Edge don't have this option. You need to copy the web page and open Windows Edge, paste here, and then Windows Edge has a function called Enter Immersive Reader. So you can click that icon, then it will only show the article itself. Then after that, you click Print. It will only print the article contents without all the ads. So if you want to go back to the normal, you just click that icon again. It will go back to the normal web page. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.